Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 20% and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, open the official Noise Fit app. This is the only reliable control point for watch time. Make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic so the app uses the correct reference. Connect the watch in the app by tapping devices and selecting your model. Don't leave this screen until pairing completes, because the next step relies on an active sync link. With the watch paired, force a time sync from the app. Go to the device page and tap Sync or Sync Now. If you see a time sync or auto time toggle, enable it so the watch inherits the phone time zone automatically. This forces the firmware to update the watch clock immediately. If the app shows progress, wait until it reports success. Premature interruption can leave the watch with the old time. Make sure you stay within Bluetooth range to avoid packet loss during the transfer. Finally, confirm the new time on the watch face. If it didn't update, restart the watch and reopen the app, then run Sync Now again. A reboot often resolves temporary firmware holdups. If syncing still fails, unpair and repair the device from the app or reinstall the Noise Fit app to clear corrupt data. As a last resort, check for a firmware update in the app or contact noise support. One quick troubleshooting tip: always verify your phone's automatic time setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.